100,000 tons of steel. A nuclear-powered fortress projecting power to every corner of the globe. It's not just a ship, it's the ultimate symbol of naval dominance. Welcome back to LensXplore. Today, we're witnessing engineering perfection from a perspective few ever get to see. We are flying above the giants of the U.S. Navy. From up here, these floating cities look like synchronized machines, cutting through the Atlantic with terrifying grace. Look at that flight deck. 4.5 acres of the most dangerous real estate on Earth. You're looking at a runway moving at 30 knots, pitching and rolling with the ocean. That tower is the island, the brain of the beast. It orchestrates everything, standing watch over a deck capable of launching an aircraft every 20 seconds. What you can't see is the heartbeat below the waterline. 2 nuclear reactors providing virtually unlimited range. It can circle the globe for 20 years without stopping. And despite its size, it is deceptively fast. When turning into the wind to launch, this Leviathan moves with the speed and agility of a destroyer. Then there's the Iron Fist, the air wing. From up here, the jets look like toys, but fully loaded, this ship carries more firepower than the entire air force of many nations. Sovereign territory anywhere the ocean flows. A beautiful, terrifying display of human engineering. If you enjoyed this cinematic flight, hit like and subscribe to LensXplore for more high-altitude adventures. Until the next flight, stay safe.